Today, I'm going to take you through how you can quickly find and complete a 1040 form, which is your personal tax income return form. Starting off, you can easily find a 1040 template form from Lumin's improved templates discovery. This library consists of thousands and thousands of templates and forms that you can use that range from compliance, construction, contractor forms, education forms, and any other government forms that you may need. And to look for the form you just need to use, and we'll look for our 1040 form today using the search engine. I'm going to add a United States filter so that I can easily locate the form and narrow that search results down. I think this is the one, so I'm going to then click that. I'm going to click use this template. Then I'm going to click myself as the signee and hit continue. This will then take me to the Lumin editor where I can complete the form, removing the need to print and scan this document. Because this is already a fillable form, I can just go ahead and start entering in my details. To start off, the form will ask for your personal information, such as your name, address, your social security number, tax filing status, and how many tax dependents you have. Then this section is all about your taxable income. This is where you will calculate all your taxable income by adding up all your income for the year. Taxable income is basically the amount of income that is subject to income taxes. This section is all about your tax liability. These are the taxes that you owe. You can subtract any tax credits that you may be eligible for, as well as taxes that you've already paid via withholding from your paychecks throughout the year. And this section is about your tax bill and refund. Once you've completed that, you can go ahead and sign this document. To sign this document, all I need to do is use the signature tool, and I can go ahead and select one of my preloaded signatures here, add in today's date using the date stamp, and put in my occupation. Once you've completed the form, you can download this form and send it to the IRS. And that's how you complete a 1040 form with Lumin.